Hi, I'm Jenny. Today we're exploring what qualifies as research and development under RDEC. RDEC offers a valuable incentive for innovative UK companies, but identifying qualifying R&D activities correctly is essential. So, what counts as R&D? Your project must aim to achieve a scientific or technological advance, which represents new industry-level knowledge or capability, not only commercial considerations. Science is defined strictly as the physical sciences, biology, chemistry, and physics. Social sciences, the arts, and economics are excluded. Next, uncertainty. Your project must address a scientific or technological uncertainty, not just a business risk. If a competent professional can't easily deduce how to achieve your goal, and the know-how isn't publicly available, that's where R&D begins. Think advanced manufacturing, novel materials, or new engineering methods. And software development qualifies when it pushes technical boundaries, such as creating new algorithms or system architectures. Routine upgrades and enhancements won't qualify. But failed projects can qualify. If you understand the qualification criteria and keep clear documentation, you'll be well placed to benefit from an RDEC claim. To find out more, follow the links in my video description. Like and subscribe. It's the easy option to stay informed.